Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going over BugHerd, an excellent bug reporting platform that streamlines website testing and development to the max. Instead of taking screenshots, exchanging emails with clients, and creating tasks via an online project manager, BugHerd brings everything to one place. But are the prices as appealing as the platform? And does the company provide helpful customer support? Let's find out in just a few minutes. But before we start, here's a reminder to check out our written review at bestreviews.net for more information on BugHerd, as well as its best deals. Now, let's hand it over to Saskia for a rundown of BugHerd.
BugHerd is an intuitive platform that makes website feedback and bug reporting easy. Everything starts with straightforward account creation and setup. Just sign up for BugHerd's 7-day free trial, enter your account details, provide the URL of the website being tested, install the browser extension, and you can start making annotations. Although the company recommends adding a small line of JavaScript to your website, the truth is that it isn't necessary. The no-coding setup works fine and takes less than 5 minutes. If you use WordPress, then it's even better, as BugHerd has a plugin for this CMS, allowing you to make the most of its features without leaving your website admin dashboard. In a nutshell, BugHerd works by adding a sidebar to your browser, where you can create bug tasks directly on the web page being reviewed. You can click on an element or the full page, and a small window pops up for you to provide your feedback. Then, you can assign it to the relevant web developer and define the severity of the bug. All bug tasks created then automatically flow into a Kanban-style project board for easy tracking and management. This streamlines the communication between team members or clients and web developers. Unfortunately, there isn't a mobile app. Still, the web version is mobile optimized, allowing users to check their tasks and projects on the go. Bug reporting is BugHerd's bread and butter. The platform allows for unlimited projects and guests, which means that you're able to handle various clients without having to go for the more expensive plans. But there's more to BugHerd than an easy way to make annotations on bugs. As already mentioned, all bug reports made via BugHerd automatically create tasks within the relevant project. Although the platform isn't an online project manager, it does come with a simple task manager to help sort out web developers' workloads. Each project has its own integrated Kanban board, which comes with 4 different columns by default. These columns are fully editable, and you can add, remove, and even create templates to be applied to all new projects. However, we were even more interested in the information each task contained. Although simple, web developers have all the necessary information to start working, including attachments, comments, operating system, browser version, HTML code of the element selected, and more. But the field we found more helpful was the location. When creating a bug task directly from the website, BugHerd adds the web page URL automatically to this field, allowing web developers to find the bug with just one click. In addition to the Kanban boards, each user gets their own task dashboard. However, while it's possible to sort and filter tasks, we found it too simple to be useful, especially when the task list starts to get long. Still, we appreciate that the platform sends you directly to the relevant project's Kanban board when you click on a task. BugHerd also integrates with popular project management tools to streamline your workflows. It will connect to tools such as ClickUp, Monday, Jira, Trello, Zapier, and many more so that you can easily collaborate across platforms and keep everyone in the loop. BugHerd's pricing is straightforward. There are 4 plans with monthly and annual billing options. The latter provides a discount of 2 free months, decreasing the monthly price by a good amount. Prices start at $41 per month with standard. In addition to the unlimited guests and projects already mentioned, this plan also supports up to 5 members and offers 10 GB of storage space. The more you pay, the more team members you can add to the account, and the more storage space you get. More important than that is knowing that video feedback is only available with Studio onwards, priced at $66 per month, and that custom branding is only available with Premium and Deluxe, which is at least $124 per month. Regardless of the plan chosen, you can add additional team members for as little as $6.67 per month. But before you grab your wallet, make sure to take advantage of the 7-day free trial to try everything BugHerd has to offer. Moreover, after you subscribe, you still have 60 days to change your mind due to the company's money-back guarantee. One area that requires further improvement is customer support. There isn't 24/7 customer service, and the only channel available is email. Still, the platform is so intuitive that you probably won't need additional support that often, especially when you consider the amount of resources the company provides. From help docs to how-to videos and a free demo, there are plenty of ways to get your questions answered without speaking with a customer support agent. Plus, the company runs a blog with interesting articles about design and user experience, marketing, software as a service, web development, and more. You can also find BugHerd on X and YouTube, which are regularly updated with news and tips about the bug reporting software.
Thank you, Saskia. In general, BugHerd is an excellent website feedback and bug reporting platform for both internal use and for providing web development services to external clients. It's also great that everyone gets unlimited projects and guests, regardless of the plan they opt for, and that there's a free trial available. The icing on the cake is the built-in Kanban boards that allow for a more efficient workflow. Still, we would have preferred that the company provided 24/7 customer support, or at least had more points of contact besides email. Moreover, while the test manager is a welcome extra, it's too simple. Finally, the lack of a mobile app makes it a bit more difficult to check bug tests and updates on the go. All in all, the bug reporting software works seamlessly and significantly improves the communication between agencies and clients. That's why I recommend it for marketing agencies that provide web development services. For more information on BugHerd, as well as its promotions, don't forget to check out our written review at bestreviews.net. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more software reviews. See you next time!
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!